This Select Realty property video is presented by Misty Miller. Potential. This beautiful property is wooded and cleared with 6 mobile home spots ready to make income. 20 acres ML. All sites have well, elect, sewer lines. Property comes with large storage shed. Mini laundry coin operated. It comes with a small pond. Close to Christian Motorcycle Association campground. For overnight rentals, permanent rentals, multiple home sites, plenty of land for expansion. Has well on-site capacity is 75 gallons a minute plus a 1,000 gallon storage tank. For more information, review the details below or contact Misty Miller at 479-216-5733.